Fixing macOS startup issues. There are 7 ways to fix startup issues. Number 1, check external devices. Disconnect all peripherals, remove any USB, external hard drive, printer or any connected device, and restart the Mac. When you restart the Mac, press and hold power button until it shuts off, then press it again to restart. This is the procedure to restart the Mac. If the issue is resolved, reconnect devices one at a time to identify the problematic one. This is the first way to resolve the startup issue. The second way is perform a force restart. Press and hold the power button until the Mac turns off, and then wait for 10 seconds, then press the power button again to restart. If this issue is still not resolved, then use third way, that is boot into safe mode. For this purpose, for Mac books having Intel processor, the first step is turn off your Mac. Number 2, press and hold the shift key, then press the power button to turn it on. Then finally release the shift key when the login screen appears. For M1 and M2 chip MacBooks, the procedure is turn off your Mac and then press and hold the power button until options and then startup disk appear, and then select your startup disk, hold the shift key and click continue in the save mode. Once in save mode, restart normally to see if the issue persists. The fourth way is reset NVRAM or PRAM. For Intel Macs only, this method is present. And how to perform this method? The first step is turn off the Mac and then press and hold Option, Command, P and R keys, and then turn the Mac on while holding these keys. Release these keys after 20 seconds or when you hear the startup came. The fifth way is use disk utility in recovery mode. Under this procedure, the first step is enter recovery mode, and for Intel chip MacBooks, press and hold Command and R while restarting, and for M1 M2 chip Macs, turn off your Mac, then press and hold power button until option appears, select options and then click continue, and then select disk utility and click continue, and then choose your startup disk that is usually named Macintosh HD and click first aid. Follow the prompts to repair the disk. The sixth way to resolve this issue is reinstall macOS. If the disk utility doesn't fix the issue, you may need to reinstall macOS. Boot into recovery mode as described above. Select reinstall macOS and follow the instructions. Ensure you have a backup of your data before proceeding. The seventh and the last way is check the hardware issue. If the problem persists after reinstalling macOS, run the Apple diagnostic tool. For Intel Macs, press and hold D key while restarting, and for M1 M2 Macs, turn off the Mac, then press and hold the power button while turning it on, select options, then diagnostics. Note any error codes and contact Apple support if needed. Finally, contact Apple support or visit a service center. Thanks.